All right, we finally had some sun and warmth in North Carolina here, and I'm out in my driveway. I'm going to show some easy exercises or some kind of hard using some common fitness equipment that I have, things that I use regularly. I've got this homemade bench that I made. I didn't invent this design, but I'm going to put the link on the bottom of the video to how to actually construct this bench with a list of parts. And it's all basically made out of 4x4s and a small piece of plywood. And I found a lot of uses for it actually, and I'm going to demonstrate a few of them right here. So here's my setup with my bench. I've got a bed extender that I use to carry the kayaks and surfboards on, and I've just set it up vertically so it's got some height on it, and I can attach those crossover symmetry bands to. And then this is my warm up using the crossover symmetry. And then I'm just going to go right into using the crossover symmetry door strap and just wrap it around the bottom of the bench. And I'm hooking it just above my heels. And this is just a natural glute ham raise, doing the negative portion of that, using my arms to push back up. I'm not strong enough to go all the way down with extended hips, so I've actually flexed my hips slightly just to get down there. And then now I can incline the bench using a dumbbell, which is very stable actually. Go back to the same configuration, and now I've slightly decreased the resistance on this thing, and you can see I'm catching myself. And then I'm going to flex my hips a little bit more. Oh, I'm going to use the TRX to decrease my resistance as well. So that's another way of doing it right there. Next up, calf raises. I extended the bench with another 4x4 and a piece of 2x4 to get about a 6-inch lift there. So I've got a good range for my heel drop. And then donkey raises using a kettlebell with the same crossover symmetry door strap that I used earlier. And then I'm going to put the crossover symmetry door strap around the top of my calves, set the kettlebell on for a counterweight. And I'm going to show just a modified sissy squat here. You can really feel this in the thighs. You get a burn there. And then I'm going to just go all the way down and do what I call a rugby sit-up, going all the way down to flat, and then you basically just come and stand back up. So a lot of core work there, and I really enjoy this. It's been good for my hip rehab, and it's a more advanced exercise, I think, but it can be done. And there you have it. I have some other abs exercises that I'll be putting on video shortly.